banana bread.
Big comfort, I'm locked in the zone.
Oh, oh, whoa, whoa.
Sour cream, make it velvet, that soft crumb throne.
Oh, 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 oh. Banana bread.
Big comfort, I'm locked in the zone.
Sour cream.
I pay, make it velvet, that soft
Crumb throne.
Whole operation, don't overwork the flow.
Yeah.
Moist in the middle, let that crack top show.
Preheat 350, set the standard, that's the code. Grab the 9x5, line it right, let it slide out the mold. Ripe bananas bring the flavor, brown spots tell the truth. Butter bring the riches, give the loaf that body in you. Yeah. Sugar make it golden, help that crust get its glow. Eggs hold the structure, keep it standing when it grows. Vanilla add a batch of quiet flavor in the room. Sour cream is the Chico, keep it tender, kill the doom. Flour is the backbone, give it shape and give it weight. Baking soda bring the lift, make it right.
Don't hesitate.
One loaf, feed 8 to 10 slices,
That's the count.
if that ain't enough, double or triple scale the amount. Oh, hey, hey. Banana bread, baby.
Big comfort, I'm locked in the zone.
Sour cream.
Sour cream, make it velvet, that soft crumb throne. One bold operation, don't overwork the flow. Moist in the middle, let that crack top show.
Cream butter, sugar, smooth, build that, that's the game. 1 to 2 minutes, steady, don't rush the frame. Add eggs one at a time, keep it stable, keep it true. If it look a little split, it'll still come back to you. Then vanilla, banana, sour cream, stir it till it blend.
Now listen close.
Flour is where the mistakes begin. Whisk dry on the side, flour salt like quality control. Then fold it in gentle, don't overwork the whole. Stop when flour disappears, don't chase perfect and lose. Overmix, make it tough, rubber loaf, bad news. Bake 50 to 65, check it 50, don't gas. Toothpick, clean or moist crumbs, that's a pass, that's success. Dry loaf, overbake, clock ran long, heat too strong. Gummy line, overmix or underbake, something went wrong. Top is cinnamon, sugar, nuts on the crown, honey butter drizzle, let it sickle 10. Cut a slice and get down.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, oh, banana bread, bread.